If you clicked on this video, you probably already know how insane ranking videos are right now. Every single day, channels are getting millions of views posting stuff like ranking the funniest cats, ranking cheese pulls, ranking the best haircuts. Most of these channels are posting multiple times per day. So the question is, how are they editing that much content without spending hours in CapCut? Well, they're not. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to create basically unlimited ranking videos automatically with almost no editing. I'm gonna show you how to create your channel correctly, what settings I personally use, how to avoid beginner mistakes, how to find content, the software I use that literally builds the ranking videos for you, and one method that can help your videos stay monetized long term. And no, this isn't one of those fake AI automation videos where nothing actually works. I'm gonna show the full process step by step. Also, I recently created a Discord server where I'll be putting all the links, tools, prompts, websites, and tips I personally use. So let's get into it. Before we start, I wanna explain why ranking videos are so powerful right now. The reason these videos blow up is because they're built perfectly for retention. Think about it. If somebody clicks on a video called Top 5 Funniest Dog Videos, their brain instantly wants to know what's number one. That curiosity alone keeps people watching, and YouTube loves watch time. Another reason these videos work so well is because they're insanely simple content. You don't need a camera, a microphone, acting skills, or even editing experience. You just need clips, captions, sound effects, fast pacing, and a good hook. That's literally it. But there's also a huge problem. This niche is extremely saturated now. Thousands of people are trying to make ranking videos every single day. So if you just throw random clips together with lazy editing, your videos are probably gonna flop. That's why automation matters. You need speed, consistency, and a proper system. The people getting millions of views aren't spending 8 hours editing one short. Most of them already have a system that lets them make videos quickly while still making the content look unique enough for YouTube. So let me show you mine. First thing we're gonna do is create the channel. And honestly, people overcomplicate this part way too much. First thing you need is a channel name and a logo. A lot of beginners spend hours trying to think of the perfect name, but don't do that. I personally just use ChatGPT to generate channel names. I already prepared prompts for this, and I'll put everything inside the Discord server in a notepad file so you can just copy and use them yourself. Once you generate a few names, pick one that sounds simple, easy to remember, and matches your niche. For example, Rankera. Now after that, create a logo. Again, don't overthink it. ChatGPT gives free image generations, so you can literally make a clean logo for free in a few minutes. Most ranking channels don't even have crazy branding anyway. Once you have your name and logo ready, create the channel. Now there's one important thing I recommend doing immediately. Add your phone number to the account. From my experience, YouTube trusts channels more when they have proper verification set up, especially in this niche where people upload a lot of shorts. Now another important thing, warm up your channel. I know some people say this is fake, but from my experience, warming up channels actually helps. What I personally do is watch videos on the account, scroll YouTube normally, subscribe to some channels, and maybe upload one private test video. Basically, just make the account look human. Because if you instantly create a channel and start spamming uploads, sometimes YouTube flags the behavior as suspicious, and trust me, you do not want problems on a fresh channel. Now once your channel is ready, we move to the fun part, finding content. Now you're probably wondering, where do I actually find the clips for these ranking videos? And honestly, the answer is simple. Most people source clips from TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, meme pages, stuff like that. And yes, you can reuse clips as long as you actually transform the content and add your own style to it. That part is important. Now, if you want to save clips quickly without losing quality or having random stuff all over the screen, check the Discord because I put the tools and websites I personally use in there. Now, here's one trick I use when looking for ideas. Open YouTube in incognito mode. This is important because YouTube will start showing videos like you're a completely new viewer. So you'll see what's currently getting pushed naturally. Then type hashtags like hashtag ranking and hashtag shorts and filter by videos from the last week. This helps you find what's trending right now instead of copying old dead formats. Once you find a ranking video idea you like, go to TikTok or Instagram and search for similar clips. For example, if the video is called Ranking the Funniest Tyler Vitelli Moments, then go search something like Funny Tyler Vitelli. Usually 5 clips is enough for one ranking video. And another important thing, don't just pick random clips. Structure matters a lot. You want the funniest or most attention-grabbing clip to be the first thing viewers see on the screen so they don't instantly scroll away. That's what keeps retention high, because viewers keep waiting for the next ranking. Now, normally this is the part where editing becomes annoying, but this is where RankVM comes in. Now, obviously, editing these videos manually every single day gets annoying fast. Especially if you're trying to upload consistently. That's why I started using RankVM. The link is going to be in the description and inside my Discord. And honestly, this thing saves a ridiculous amount of time. Instead of manually editing clips, adding transitions, ranking numbers, sound effects, zooms, and text animations, RankVM basically automates almost the entire process, which is huge in this niche because speed matters a lot. The more videos you can upload consistently, the faster you learn what actually works. So let me show you exactly how I use it. Alright, so once you open RankVM, this is the dashboard. First thing you want to do is upload your clips. After that, choose your framing style. Personally, I like using fill because it fits shorts better and looks cleaner on mobile. Now, there's a lot of extra settings here, but honestly, you don't need to touch everything at the start. I'm just going to show you the most important parts. First, trim your clips to the duration you want. You don't want clips dragging for too long because retention drops fast on shorts, and usually fast pacing works best. Then type your title. For example, ranking the funniest Tyler Vitelli moments. After that, add your ranking labels like number 5, number 4, number 3, stuff like that. Now, this part is important. Choose transitions carefully. A lot of people use random transitions that look horrible, but I personally recommend keeping them fast and simple. You can also upload your own transition sounds and background music, and honestly, I really recommend doing this because it helps your videos feel more unique compared to everyone else copying the same style. Then choose your text style. Make sure the text is big, readable, and easy to understand instantly because people watching shorts decide in like half a second if they want to keep watching. You can also change caption colors, blur the video background, and upload your watermark if you want, which is useful so people don't just steal your videos and repost them everywhere. Now, once everything is ready, just click export, and that's literally it. The video is done, no spending hours in CapCut, no editing every transition yourself. The whole process becomes way faster, and honestly, that's the biggest advantage, because consistency becomes way easier when editing stops taking forever. Now, technically, you could already upload the video like this, but I want to show you one extra thing that helps a lot with monetization. Now, this is probably the most important part of the video, because this is where most people fail in this niche. A lot of channels just repost clips with almost zero changes, and eventually they run into monetization problems. So here's the easiest way to make your content stand out more. Add voiceovers. Seriously, it helps a lot. What I personally do is open a notepad file and write short reactions or commentary for the clips. Nothing crazy, just simple stuff like, "This guy does the unthinkable," or "There's no way he thought this would work." Then I go to 11 Labs. Link is going to be in the description and Discord. They give free credits when you start, which is enough to test everything. Choose a voice you like, generate the voiceover, then open CapCut and place the voiceover over your video. And instantly, the content feels more original, more unique, more engaging, and way safer for monetization. Because now the video actually has transformation instead of looking like raw reposted clips. And another small thing, if you don't have CapCut Premium, check the Discord too. I got some extra tutorials and methods in there because I don't want to put literally every single thing inside one video, but yeah, that's basically the full process. So yeah, that's how you can make unlimited ranking videos without editing every single one manually. If you want all the tools, prompts, websites, downloads, and extra tutorials, everything's going to be inside the Discord server. And if you want to try RankVM for yourself, the link is going to be in the description too. Anyways, hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.